Hey class, today we are going to use dollars to count along with our coins. So just like last time in my last video, I have a group of coins up at the top of my 100 chart, which will help me to keep track of them as I count them. But I've also included two types of dollars. We've got a dollar bill here. It's made out of paper. And then this, you don't see these too often, but this is a dollar coin. So it's also worth $1. And just like last time, what we're going to do is we're going to put all of our coins, all of our money in order from greatest value to least value. So we know that $1 is worth 100 cents. And so that would be, although it's not a coin, it would be the thing that has the most value. So we'll put that first. And the other dollar we have here is the coin. We could put that next. They're both worth the same, so really actually wouldn't matter which one I put first. Okay, and then we got a quarter next, that's 25. And our dime, remember, just because the dime is the smallest coin, that does not mean it's worth the least, okay? The size of the coin does not matter, and so we're going to put our nickels next because each of those is worth 5, and our pennies go last. Those are worth 1. Okay, so I know the dollar is worth 100 cents, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the dollar. Oops, see if I can move it out here. I'm going to put the dollar right on the 100 here, the number 100. Okay. And I'm going to do the same thing with my other dollar. If I can move my box here. So I'm going to move my other dollar. I'm going to put that on 100 too. Okay? And the way I would write that is, well, I have 200s. 200 cents is $2. So the way I would write that would be, I would write 2. And then I'm going to use this little dot here, but that dot has a name. It's called a decimal point. And it separates the amount of dollars I have from the amount of cents I have. The amount of dollars from the amount of cents. It's called a decimal point. Okay, it's very important. All right, so now we can just go ahead and keep adding now we can add our coins to find out how many cents we have. We know we have $2 and some cents. So we'll go ahead and take our quarter, put that on 25. 10 more than 25, we just go down one spot on the 100 chart, that's 35. 5 more than 35 is 40. And 5 more than 40 is 45. And our 2 pennies, each worth 1, 45 and 1 more is 46. 45, 46 and 1 more is 47. So here's how we would write that. So I have $2, which we've already counted and we've written it down, and we have 47 cents. So I'm going to, after the decimal point, is where I write how many cents I have. I'm still missing one thing though. So right before the $2 that I wrote, I'm going to use the dollar symbol. It looks like an S with a line straight through it. Okay, and that goes before the amount of dollars we have. All right, and we would read this as $2 and 47 cents. Notice how I said and when I got to the decimal point. I'll do that again. The amount of money that we have is $2 and 47 cents. You practice that. All right. So that's just a quick lesson. I'm going to include another lesson from another teacher where she gives some more examples, and I think she does a pretty good job. Thanks for tuning in.